Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. We're going to be doing a breakdown for the week. As you can see, last week this was the entry we took. It was a sell signal. We saw a clean pullback to this zone and a confirmation using the Fibonacci, which I normally trade. As you can see, clearly touched the 61 Fibonacci zone, which prompted me to enter the trade, which I did, and my target profit was down here. As you can see, with the target profit. Now we're currently looking at what's going to happen in the new week. Due to news dropped by Trump, the market had a little bit of movement, so we're not exactly sure where it's going to go. For now, there are two things I'm looking at. Firstly, I'm looking at this. It looks like a potential sell setup. It looks like it has pulled back to the 61 Fibonacci zone, and we should be expecting a sell from here. However, today is a Monday, and naturally I do not always trust signals that I've seen on a Monday morning, so I like to evaluate my options and wait, possibly Monday evening or Tuesday, whenever the signal becomes a lot more clear. That is the first reason. And secondly, if we go down to a lower time frame, what this clearly looks like is a break of structure, because on the 1 hour this was the previous lower high to create this lower low, and going up here it has broken this zone. So what we could also potentially be looking at is a buy signal. As you can see, pull back to the 61% Fibonacci zone, and coincidentally the 61% Fibonacci zone aligns perfectly with previous support turn resistance. So that's also what we are looking for. Whichever one gives the clear signal is going to decide how the trade is going to be taken. Not exactly sure yet, but we are going to see. Those are the two potential setups we are looking at in GBPUSD. Now the second is oil. I trade oil. It all depends when I see the signal. So for now, here is another potential setup, another sell. This was the previous lower high, so drag it down to the lower low, and our 61% Fibonacci zone is just above the support. We hope it's going to become a resistance, and it should touch this zone before falling back down. I've yet to mark out the potential zone, but with my Fibonacci here, I'm looking at this zone 57.25. If that happens, there's going to be a potential sell setup roughly around here. Stop loss not too big, and our target profit at 57.25. So we're looking at a 1:9 trade. If this goes well, combined with GBPUSD, we should have a good week. So that is my breakdown for the week. If you would like me to keep doing long form content, kindly comment, like, subscribe, and have a nice week.